Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making vegetable soup. I'll be taking you step by step on how to make this soup. Here I have the bone catfish. Here I have shaki, which is also known as cow stripe. Here I have my cow foot. Here I have some crayfish. Of course, we can't make soup without palm oil. I will also be adding some periwinkles. And here I have some sweet peppers, onion, and scotch bonnets. For my vegetable, I have my freshly washed ugu leaf, which is also known as pumpkin leaf. Here I have my uziza leaf, frozen uziza leaf. Right, did you recognize this vegetable? This is water leaf. Water leaf has lots of health benefits. One of them is that it aids digestion. Water leaf is very rich in diet fiber, which also acts as laxative to prevent constipation. It also helps in terms of strengthening your bones. So please ensure you incorporate this in your vegetable if you can find this. Thank you for watching. Now it's cooking time. Here I have the shaki, which is the cow stripe. 2 seasoning cubes. I'm adding some salt to taste. And here's my blended scotch bonnet and some onion. Cover and allow to cook. Right, now my shaki has been cooking for 15 minutes. So now I'm introducing my deboned catfish, smoked catfish. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use snail if you choose to, or red meat or chicken. Honey, what was that meat you were saying that we can also add? Mvushi, did you hear that? You can also add mvushi. So I think I need to add a bit of water. So I'm adding boiled water. So cover to continue cooking. Right here I have my sweet pepper, scotch bonnet and onion. I'll be blending them together with my crayfish. I've washed the crayfish just to ensure there's no sound. Right, the cow foot is going in. It's been previously cooked. Wow. Remember, you can use any protein of your choice. Today I've used the bone catfish, shaki, and cow foot. Feel free to use snail if you want to. Right. Wow, where are you watching from? Please don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Right, my protein is all ready. It's now soft and tender. Right. So I'll be setting it aside. Right. Right. Palm oil is going in. Right. Pinch of salt is going in. Onion. I'll fry this for about 10 minutes before introducing my pepper mixture. Right, now I'm introducing the sweet pepper, onion, and scotch bonnets. Look at that. Right, my stew has been frying now for about 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm just going to be putting 2 seasoning cubes and my periwinkle. Periwinkle is going in now. So in here I have this is called okpeyin. It's locust beans. You can use the seeded one if you want. Right, the sauce is ready. Now it's time to add my protein. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Wow, I need to give this a stir first before adding more. Well, I'll be introducing my vegetable now. Okay, my water leaf is going in. Then I'll be adding ugu as well. Ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf. Well, I'll cover and allow to cook for a few minutes before I turn. Wow, it's nearly ready, guys. Wow, look at this. Where are you watching us from? Please comment down below. I'm just adding the rest of the ugu leaf. Dinner is ready, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Vegetable soup. Now I'm adding uziza leaf. My freshly frozen uziza leaf. Wow. What is missing now is only the eba. Fufu. Look at that. Our vegetable soup is ready. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right. Testing time. This soup is so delicious. Wow, everyone is invited. Yummy, yummy vegetable soup. Delicious vegetable soup is ready. Please try this at home and don't forget to comment down below, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be the first to get updated whenever we upload new videos. Thank you. Yes, so the eba is ready. The fufu is ready. Everyone is invited. Please don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, JD and Family. To our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting our channel. We love you so much. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to support us by liking and commenting. Thank you.